Time now 5:12 on your Tuesday morning. We're tracking a bit of rain and storms currently offshore of southwest Florida. Even though the rain's trying to work its way to the east, the original boundary is just right along the coast. That's where those showers and storms are forming along, and most of that rain is going to stay offshore for your Tuesday morning commute. So keep that in mind. Look at your screen and look at all the rain we have seen over the last 3 days. Since Saturday, we have had pockets of very heavy rain across parts of southwest Florida. Here's a list of some of our highest totals across the area. Northport seeing just under 6 inches of rain over the last 3 days. Everglades City just under 4.5 inches. Lely just over 4 inches. Northwest Cape Coral just under 4 inches of rain, 3.98 to be exact. Burnstone Marina just over 3.5 inches of rain. And look at that list from Naples, Golden Gate, Clewiston, Buckhead Ridge. Areas all over southwest Florida have seen more than 2 inches of rain. That includes Immokalee, North Fort Myers, Bokeelia, Sanibel, Lake Placid, Estero, even Placida. Your communities have seen over 2 inches of rain, if not even over 2.5 inches of rain. The rest of us, still all of us, seeing rain the last 3 days, and more rain still yet to come today. That's why parts of southwest Florida are under a flood watch, mainly across Collier County for the next 24 hours. Again, right now tracking a little bit of rain, mainly offshore of southwest Florida. These light showers right along portions of Marco Island and Goodland, and just offshore towards the south. So some pockets of some light to moderate rain possible for you guys. Not seeing too much across Everglades City as of yet, but could see some of that work its way towards the east over the next hour or so. So mainly dry this morning. Can't rule out a stray shower from time to time, but most of the rain holds off until noon. Here's noon today. Isolated showers and storms will be bubbling up. More showers, more storms are likely into the afternoon with a good amount of coverage around 3, 4, or 5 p.m. Showers and storms even continue through this evening and even overnight tonight. So keep that in mind. The best soaking today comes our way this afternoon and this evening. Because of that, temperatures are cooler this afternoon, topping out back in the mid-80s, very similar to those highs yesterday. Now, all of this rain is thanks to this, a weak area of low pressure trying to develop tropically as it moves offshore and away from us here in southwest Florida. It can slowly develop, but right now looking very low to come to that because it's only given a 10% chance of development over the next 7 days. Believe it or not, as this low moves away from us, that's when we finally dry out. So kind of keep that in mind as it moves away by Wednesday into Thursday. Also heading into Friday and Saturday, tracking a plume of Saharan dust, and that'll be limiting our rain chances. So we are looking drier for your Friday and Saturday plans, and then we'll see some pretty vibrant sunrises and sunsets as well. So good amount of rain and storms still today. Scattered showers and storms continue tomorrow into Thursday, mainly Thursday morning. Dry air builds in Thursday afternoon as that low moves out. Again on the dry side Friday and Saturday, hotter as well. Highs return to the low to mid 90s heading into the weekend. That's your forecast.